If you don't like traveling far but still love birds, then check this out. First up, the Amazon rainforest in South America, home to the vibrant hyacinth macaw and the elusive harpy eagle. Next, the Congo Basin in Africa. Discover the exotic African grey parrot and the striking great blue turako. Head over to Southeast Asia's Borneo. Spot the unique rhinoceros hornbill and the rare Bornean bristlehead. Up next, the Daintree rainforest in Australia. Marvel at the colourful cassowary and the noisy fig parrot. Finally, the Monteverde cloud forest in Costa Rica. Keep an eye out for the resplendent quetzal and the melodious bellbird. Grab your binoculars and happy bird watching!